We guide you through how to switch back to old icons on iOS 26 quickly and easily. If you updated and don't like the new look, here's exactly what to do first. So open your settings app, scroll down and tap display and brightness. Then look for the new app icon style or icon appearance option. Apple added this in iOS 26 for customization. Tap it and you'll see a different icon styles available. Simply select classic or default old icons to revert back to the original look instantly. Then exit settings and your home screen should automatically refresh with the old icons applied. If you don't see the option, make sure your iOS is fully updated by going to General, then Software Update, because this feature may roll out gradually. Alternatively, you can long press on the home screen, tap Customize, and switch icon theme from there. So that's it. No extra apps needed. Your iPhone should now feel familiar again with the classic icons.